Hello and welcome! We are getting towards the end of November, which, as far as I'm concerned, means it's basically Christmas and it's basically time to get festive. Now, apparently, according to Wikipedia, it's Thanksgiving next week. Is Thanksgiving a time when people give presents? Because if it is, I got some gift ideas for you. So today we are making 3 gift ideas for Christmas or Thanksgiving or anything else around this time. I mean, yes, one of them is a gingerbread Christmas tree, so maybe save that one just for Christmas. But the other ones are general, like festive, holiday themed stuff, as far as I'm concerned. But I always think that edible gifts are perfect for, you know, family members, to show that you've done something that you've put a lot of work into and put a lot of love into it. And also for those secret Santas who you don't know that well and you don't really know what to give them. Everyone loves food, just give them food. So here are my 3 holiday themed gift ideas. We've got cranberry and orange cookies, gingerbread Christmas trees, and peppermint chocolate truffles. Let's go. So here they all are, and you know, an orange for good measure. I would be so happy if I got one of these, and I think these would be great for gift ideas. Hey, you can do a collection of a few of them. A bit early to make these in advance for Christmas, so I'm gonna try them all now. These truffles with the white chocolate around always remind me of chocolates I used to buy for my mum. Took her off the list. I messed up, I shouldn't have eaten mint first. So now we get little cranberry and orange cookies. Mm. Mm. And chocolate orange gingerbread Christmas trees, which are going to be impossible to eat. Chocolate noodles with hot combination. These would also be such a, particularly these ones would be such great over Christmas party or anything like that. Everything good to leave out for Father Christmas, you know, give him a bit of change and a bit of... Nah, Santa wouldn't be vegan. My camera battery died. But just to finish that thought, Santa probably wouldn't be vegan because otherwise he needs to find a different way to pull his sleigh. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope your family and friends and Secret Santas enjoy the selection of edible gifts, and let's start getting excited about festive baking. Thanks for watching. Bye!